Easy Access Suitcase Singlefold AS. The Suitcase Singlefold AS ramp can be used as one unit or easily separated into two lightweight sections by simply removing the hinge pins. This is one of our most user-friendly portable suitcase ramps, making it even more convenient to use, carry, and store. Other highlighted features include an applied slip-resistant surface, has an 800-pound weight capacity, heavy-duty ergonomic comfort handles, which are flexible and not susceptible to breakage, self-adjusting bottom transition plates and solid top transition plates allow smooth transitions both on and off the ramp. 5 lengths are available from 2 foot to 6 foot, with a usable width of 29.5 inches. The Easy Access Suitcase Singlefold AS features our Easy Access lifetime warranty and are made in the USA.